Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I am back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 605 can place flowers. It is an easy level question and I also feel the same. So you have a long flower bed in which some of the plot are planted and some are not. However, flower cannot be planted in adjacent position. Okay. So given an integer array, flower bed containing zeros and ones, where zero means it is empty and one means not empty, and an integer n written if n new flower can be planted in the flower bed without violating the no adjacent flower rule. So I will explain the example in the explanation part. So let's get through the constraint. The constraint and flower bed length can go up to 2 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 4, and flower bed I contain only two values 0 or 1. 0 means empty, 1 means non-empty. Okay. There are no two adjacent flowers in flower bed initially, and you have to maintain the same rule. And n is flower bed length. Okay. So let's get through the explanation part. Let me copy this. Okay, so here you this is your initial flower bed configuration, and you have to plant one more flower plant here. So you cannot place a flower like this. You have to only if this is some places. Okay, this is one, then this is one, and this place are empty means zero. So you can place only one flower here. You cannot place here or here, because if you place one here, then its adjacent will again one. So it will be invalid case. Okay, so you need to place uh, only in valid cases. You have to place in the place which is valid. Okay, so it means like this, there is one, so you cannot place here, and here is also one, so you cannot place here. So you only can place a flower pot here. So in this case it will return true. Okay, but if the n value is equals to 2, then you cannot place two flowers here. Okay, so the answer it return is false. Okay, so this is the whole concept, and you have to take care of this only. And okay, so how will you solve this? So first of all, I am using two step here. First one is called padding. Okay, so first one, step number one is padding, and step number two is selecting. Okay, so let me copy my code. Okay, this is the code, and okay, so now as I say you, there is two step. First one is padding, second one is selecting. Okay, so this is the first step, this is the second step. So what I have done is I am iterating through the array, complete array, and I mark this is our, for this example, this is our initial position. Okay, so and what this padding means, just I am what I am doing, I am just uh mark its adjacent element as -1. Okay, its adjacent element as -1, so it will get -1 and it will get -1. Okay, so similarly, if my initial position is something like this, and here is only one, and this all are zero. Zero means empty, so I have not written here zero. So I will mark its adjacent element as -1. Okay, so we cannot select these places. Okay, then I am selecting the places which is empty, means which is zero. So here you can say these two places are empty, and for this example this place is empty. So I will put one here in this loop. In this loop you can see that I have taken a 0, and I am just simply put over here 1, and I marks its adjacent as 1. Okay, -1, sorry. So it's adjacent to -1, and I have taken only the right side to mark at 1. Like if this is our case, okay, then this will be -1, then this will be -1, then we can put 1 here. And we mark this also -1, because as we are traveling from left to right, the left side will get marked -1 or 1 in the in our previous iteration only. We need to mark it is -1. Okay, so I am just marking its right hand side as -1, and I am just decrement the n by 1, and whenever the value gets 0, I just return true. Otherwise I just return at last false. Okay, if the n value will not get 0, then after the whole iteration there will be something remaining in n, so I just, it means it is false, so I just return false. So this is the whole concept, and you have to take care of this condition. If n value is 0, then you have to return true at initially. Okay, so let's run this code here. Okay, so this is the code. Let me submit. Okay, so it is submitted. So hope you understood this video, and I will provide the question and my solution link in the description, so kindly check it out if you need. So thank you, bye, keep coding, see you tomorrow, bye.